With volunteer numbers critically low in 38 eastern Kentucky counties, citizen foster care review boards are calling for help to review the cases of children in foster care. State Chair of the Review Board, Rosalind O. Patton Pelt, shared with us how people can get involved.
The volunteers of the Foster Care Review Board, they come together on their local boards one time a month to review the cases assigned to that county. And involved in that meeting is not just the review board members, but also foster youth are invited, biological parents, foster parents, the social worker, the guardian ad litem. If they have CASA workers and Aetna workers, they're also on. So it's a team effort and it is a team conversation. And so the purpose is to make sure that all the T's are crossed and all the I's are dotted to ensure the permanency, well-being, and safety of the children in out-of-home care.
Though the numbers may seem to say otherwise, Patton Pelt says the figures tell only part of the board's need.
So the Foster Care Review Board is comprised of about 700 volunteers covering 120 counties here in Kentucky. And so that sounds like a lot of volunteers, but we, in 2024, we actually reviewed over 11,000 children in out-of-home care. So that lets you know that the need is great, and the need is specifically great in Eastern Kentucky. We all have seen the news, and we know that Eastern Kentucky has dealt with a lot of loss and a lot of devastation. And so when a region deals with things like that, we try to pick up the pieces as much as we can and we come together as a community. And it's important that we continue to come together as a community for our children.
Norton Eye Center in Pikeville, your local vision experts. Experienced doctors using state-of-the-art technology. Choose from top designer frames from Oakley, Ray-Ban, Nike, and more. We accept Medicaid and Medicare, plus most insurances are accepted. Norton Eye Center in Pikeville, next to Tractor Supply.
People who want to help tend to believe the help they could offer might only be in the long term, but it's actually the opposite.
The impact of being a foster care review board volunteer is immediate, and it's very direct. And so people are always interested in trying to find ways of how can I help these kids? We all hear these stories, these horrible stories of children in foster care. And this is one of the ways that you can make an immediate impact on the lives of children in out-of-home care.
To learn more about how you can help, visit the Citizen Foster Care Review Board's website. Reporting for Mountaintop News, I'm Sheldon Compton.